Your kisses make me strong, but your tears drive me to my knees. If I give my heart a pen and paper, I'm sure it will draw me a map leading to you. Stay with me. Let's make the most colorful masterpiece together. To see you hurt and crying is my greatest misery. There is a gallery of you in my mind. You are my cup of coffee, the one I look forward to each morning. Love is friendship that took flight and soared in the clear blue sky. My life's mission is to put a sweet smile on your face every single day. My day starts and ends with the touch of you. I will never get tired of showing you how much I love you every single second of my life. A perfect day for me is one that I get to spend with you. A glance and a smile are enough to turn my day perfect. The only rule applicable in love is to love with all your heart. A heart that loves will never grow old, even with the touch of time. The moment you walk into my life, I find myself falling for you over and over again. Every time is the right time, as long as it is spent with you. My greatest joy will be to see you smiling because of me. I don't think I can go on living without you in my life. The moment I met you, my brain has stopped functioning correctly.